Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In the previous video, we have discussed the rights and duties. Now, before framing the law should contain privileges also. No doubt. Now we are having the constitution which says that Article 14, everybody is equal before law. Law should protect everybody equally. But there are certain privileges. All people, no doubt, in the eye of law, everybody is equal, but some people are definitely they have to be placed at a higher level. So they will have the privilege. What is a privilege? The extra facility which the ordinary man doesn't have. So it is a special right or it is a special advantage granted to a particular person. సహజంగా వేరే వాళ్ళకి లేని సామాన్య మానవుడికి లేనిది మీకు ఉండేదే ప్రివిలేజ్. సో అడ్వాంటేజ్, ప్రివిలేజ్ అండ్ అడ్వాంటేజ్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ స్పెషల్ రైట్. సో నార్మల్లీ even the judicial system accepts very heavy many privileges from the common law, right from the common law or from the statutory law also. So a simple example I will tell you. Suppose can you file a criminal case against the governor of Andhra Pradesh? No. Article 361, it gives immunity, it gives the so-called privilege. So privilege. Can you check the baggage of the President of India? No, it's a privilege for him. So, and the privilege for the senior advocate is he can come straight to the court and argue the case and go away. That's all. He need not file any wakala. He need not file any pleadings. So, these are the privileges. So, privileges not only to the so many so-called persons, but even to the individuals, even to the common people also, their legal privileges. So definitely the first privilege is doctrine of self-incrimination. Article 20, clause 3. Nobody should be made a criminal basing on his own statement. Then privileged communications. The communication between advocate and client. The communication between wife and husband. The communication between a police officer and an informer. So all these, they are privileged. You cannot ask them. You cannot question them. And likewise, privilege to the judge while trying the criminal cases, civil cases, he can't be arrested. Even the privilege extends to an advocate also. And similarly, the elected members or the privileges of the so-called MLAs and MPs, they got so many privileges. Suppose if they speak anything in the assembly or in the parliament, he is the privileged one. You can't file any case on the so-called, even though he has spoke something defamatory against the other persons also. So these are the privileges. No doubt. Why privileges should be there? Because if the privilege is not there, suppose if you don't give any privilege to the Prime Minister of India or to the President of India, then he has to stand like an ordinary man. He has to wait and so many things will be there. But he is a busy man. He has got so many work. And by virtue of his post, we think, we have to presume that it is a gubernatorial post. So therefore, the privileges should be there. Whenever his vehicle goes, the traffic should be cleared. What for? So why not he wait for the clearance? No, because he has got so many other functions to do. He is a privileged person, king. So just like the President of India or the governor of a particular state or the ruler, foreign rulers, till now they have ruled. And the ambassadors, the charge d'affaires, yes, definitely they are all having the privileges. So the privileges are definitely, they play an important role in the jurisprudence, that is in the framing of law. Of course, we have to discuss the privileges threadbare, then only you will be able to understand. But these are normally the privileges to a common man. Yes, normally we do not know till we read the jurisprudence in our law classes. We think that normal parliament does not have any privileges. You see the President of India, he is going with flight, he has got a privilege. The Prime Minister is a privileged person. Even the police officer, whenever he goes, the traffic will be cleared. Yes, he is a privileged police officer. But The common man has got privilege under self-incrimination. Wife has got a privileged communication with husband. Lawyer, yes, this is more important. Lawyer has got privileged communication with a client. Otherwise, suppose if any person commits murder and approaches the lawyer and tell him that, Arey Baba, I have killed this fellow. So as a duty-bound citizen, is it not his duty to take him to the nearest police station? Suppose if he does that, will any client come later? And please remember, the trustworthy or the fiduciary relationship between advocate and the client is that the client has to tell all the facts to the advocate. Then only he will be able to defend him. Of course, this we are going to discuss in a separate class. For this part, please note that the privileges are to the common man, or to the advocates, or to the judiciary, and also to the members of legislature. So with this, I am concluding. We'll discuss in detail in the later classes. So thank you very much.